Hello everyone, so let's focus on Grok 3 voice mode. So quite cool feature, and this is the time to try it because Grok app just made voice mode free for everyone. So you don't need to upgrade to Super Grok to try it. So it's pretty cool. I think they just did this update and can just go in here and just look for Grok app. Just make sure to update it to the latest version, and then you will have it. Here it is, and then you see that there is a major update. Voice mode now available for everyone for free, so that's quite cool. And yeah, you just have it here, and yeah, so you just open it up, and the idea is that you have this text mode in the bottom, where it's just like a normal mode, and in top you just have all these voice modes. At the moment there are like, I think, like 11 or so these different voice modes. There are different types. Some of them are quite funny. They're going viral on TikTok and so whatever. So here's basically, you just can't tap any mode to activate voice. That's what you need to do. So how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How can I assist you today?
So that's basically how you can start talking. Sometimes it just show connecting, and for some people it's a bug. So when it shows connecting in the bottom, you can't talk to it, not gonna work. Also, as you can see, you can change voice type, male or female, but there are only two options. There aren't so many additional voices right now which you can change. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
So yeah, then basically you can see you can mute it easily. So I just tap on this orange button and in the bottom, and I mute it. I can also mute speaker as well. So then it's just not gonna speak. So if I mute, then when I'm talking, it doesn't listen to me, obviously. And then when I mute speaker, it will listen to me, but the sound won't be put up on speaker. Then I guess you can continue writing text, and then if you want to end voice mode, you just tap on this cross icon in the bottom. Here, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How can I assist you today?
So now you can also just tap to share conversation if you wanna. So that's also quite cool feature which you can just share it. You see this nice audio preview. You can edit it. You can listen to it and crop it, cut it as you want. So it's also quite nice feature. And then you can just tap share, and then you will share it as a nice MP4 file. So that's basically the process in here. So yeah, that's what you have. Quite a cool feature. Again, a lot of you should try all of these different modes. They're super fun. Probably, yeah, there's just different prompts, like system prompts they use for all these different modes. But yeah, all these like 18 plus modes that are going viral on Twitter. Yeah, you can use meditation, conspiracy, not a therapist, not a doctor, motivation, unhinged, argumentative. Motivation one is fun, like, if you need some motivational talk, I really like it. But yeah, that's basically what it is. And then yeah, like it is, so super easy to exit it. Also, another thing is that Grok will work on a lock screen. So if you start talking to Grok voice mode, and so let's just show you. Hi there.
Hey, good to hear from you. How can I assist you today?
Okay, maybe it's not on screenshot, but yeah, here
No
it's
worries. I think you meant lock screen, not screenshot. I'm still with you. What do you need help with?
So yes, you can see it works perfectly even when your phone is locked or with dynamic island, meaning when you switch into other apps, this voice mode also works. So quite cool actually. So it's really nicely done because in some other apps it's not that easy, to switch between all of that. So yeah, that's the overview. I think is the most viral feature right now of the Grok app. That's why people talking about it. One of the reasons. So definitely give it a try.